Welcome to this radio channel, and it's Monday. And on Mondays, we of course have the solar activity and HF propagation report. So, of course, Monday, September 17th, as we are today. What's happening with our sun? Well, first of all, of course, there's no sunspots on the surface, and but there are some few little things to talk about. One of them is a coronal hole that is just past the kind of the middle spot in the solar disk. Now, this solar wind that's being sent out by this coronal hole should be arriving maybe today, at the latest tomorrow, and it might actually spark some geomagnetic storming a little bit. And the reason why is because we are right now in a very sensitive spot in the Earth's orbit, meaning that because we are at the equinox, the solar wind tends to actually affect more the general geomagnetic activity. It apparently just a little wind gust might actually trigger minor geomagnetic storms. So that means it's not impossible that we get into the geomagnetic storming side of things in the next few hours or the next 24 to 48 hours. So expect conditions to be anywhere from good to pretty average to even sometimes maybe a little on the bad side because of this happening. So check it out. Of course, the K index has been pretty steady at 2 and 3. It's borderline with 2 and 3. It's like close to being at the unsettled moments. So maybe you'll find that propagation is not always as good as you would like to. Of course, check out the different websites like solarham.net or spaceweather.com, where you have a lot of news about what's happening with that. But this is going to be something to check out in the next couple of days. So expect unsettled conditions a little bit on the HF propagation side of things. We are going to reach this week equinox, or the fall in the northern hemisphere, the spring in the southern hemisphere. But we're also going to be at an interesting moment where days and nights are pretty much equal everywhere, and this tends to have some interesting effects on propagation. So tune around the bands. You might be surprised at what you can hear. I often find that this period is one of the best times of the year to listen to your favorite stations. And that was the solar report for the beginning of the week of September 17th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.